Hey guys, I just got some Young Living boxes and I thought I would open them up with you. Let's start with this top one.
Hi.
Sorry, that was my youngest. She's supposed to be playing in her sister's room right now. Let's see. We've got the Essential Edge, their newsletter. Packaging slips. Ooh, and a bunch of little boxes. Ooh, what's this? Let's see. Ooh, Breathe Again. Lavender. Let's see. Oh, this is another lavender. I ordered 2 of them. Let's see, this is my Black Friday sale package order. Okay, there we go. Orange. And another orange. There it is. And Thieves Vitality. All right, that was the first box. So